back to work on the 70 Cougar Eliminator. I'm going to go ahead and pull off the right side fender so I can do all the suspension work on the right side front. I've already got it mostly 99% done on the left side, minus the things I was waiting on the right side. So anyway, first order of business, pull the fender off so I can get to everything, so I can clean everything up. So there we go. Let's get to work. So I'm doing something different on this side than I did on the other side. On the other side, I went ahead, I pulled everything apart and I put all the hardware back in place, which I'll probably still do on this, but at least while I'm taking it apart, I've got an index to know where all the hardware went. Just easier to keep it from falling on the floor and getting lost. None of us have ever done that, right? Victory! Woohoo! All right. There's not as much undercoating on this side as there was the other side. So let's take a look at this a little closer. Well, that doesn't help anything. All right. So we'll take a look. Got a little bit more rust on this side than we have on the other side. That's because a lot of the undercoating is missing. We'll get, that's, all in all, just looks like work. So I'll go ahead and start getting, see if I can put this up here again. Sorry for my unsteady hand with the camera, but we'll go ahead and remove this little fairing here. This is part of the vacuum system. I'm going to order a new one of those. I meant to do that already, but I'll get one of those ordered up for us, and that'll come in new. It's, remember right, it's called I'll look at the part. I'll actually put it down there too. I'm going to get it from West Coast Classic Cougars. Those guys have got everything in the world, like almost everything I could ever need for the car. But this actually it's part of the vacuum system that controls the heating and air conditioning system. So everything else in that system is all built up brand new, so we're not going to miss anything. Make this thing as good as new or close to as we can, because the goal is to make it my daily driver. All right. I'm going to go ahead and take a quick break. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. About 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Good time for take a quick little break, get a bite to eat, and get back at it. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please click that thumbs up button and let us know that you enjoyed it. Also, follow American Hanger on Facebook and Instagram, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.